Hey, curious minds! Welcome back to AI Discoveries for Kids. Today we're diving deep into something super cool, deep learning. Ever wonder how AI can understand what you say, recognize faces, draw awesome pictures, or even help drive cars? It's all thanks to deep learning. Let's get our brain circuits buzzing and find out how it works. Let's start with your brain. It's full of tiny cells called neurons that help you think, learn, and solve problems. Now guess what? AI has something similar called a neural network. It's not made of real brain cells, it's made of computer code, but it works in a similar way. And in deep learning, these neural networks have many layers stacked together, like a big brain sandwich. The more layers, the deeper the learning. That's why we call it deep learning. Let's say we want to teach an AI how to spot a cat. At first, it doesn't know anything. So the first layer looks at simple things like shapes and colors. Then, the next layers get smarter. They start spotting ears, eyes, and whiskers. Let's go on a deep learning treasure hunt. Can you spot where it's hiding in real life? Ever seen a picture made by AI? Just type something like a dragon surfing in space, and bam, it paints it for you. Deep learning helps the AI figure out what that should look like. Did you know AI can make music too? It listens to tons of songs, learns what sounds good, and makes its own cool tunes. Who knows? You might dance to an AI hit one day. In video games, if enemies start getting trickier every time you play, that's deep learning. It watches how you play and learns how to keep things exciting. Want a story about a robot chef who makes pizza on Mars? You give AI the idea, and it writes a whole story using deep learning. Now let's zoom out and compare machine learning and deep learning. What's the big difference? Machine learning is when we teach the computer using rules and facts. We tell it things like, if it's red and small, it's probably a cherry. We pick the features that matter, like size and color, and the computer learns patterns from that. But deep learning is different. You just show it lots of fruit photos, and it figures out what's important all by itself, like color, shape, even texture. Here's a fun way to remember. Machine learning is like giving a student a list of rules. Deep learning is like showing them examples and letting them figure it out on their own. Deep learning is amazing, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it makes hilarious mistakes, like thinking a dog is a muffin, or that a banana is a phone. That's because AI doesn't understand like humans do. It sees patterns, but it doesn't know what they mean. That's why we still need people to help train and improve it. Deep learning is powerful, but it needs curious explorers like you to help it grow. So what's your favorite AI technology? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious, because there are so many more AI discoveries ahead. See you next time.